JTech is a technology extravaganza annually organized by the Department of Computer Science and Software Engineering, Jinnah University for Women. Job fairs, idea presentations, and final year project display have remained focus of the event in the past few years. Aim behind this effort is to encourage our talented and competent students to showcase their ideas and work that are outcome of their acquired knowledge and technical skills they learned here. To scale up their capabilities and strength of facing professional challenges, we invite renowned professionals and experts from the industry for evaluation of projects every year. The event is the product of the combined efforts of faculty and students of the department. This year, JTech was conducted a bit differently from what we have seen in the past, as this year we opted to go for the hybrid format of the event because of the ongoing pandemic for the first time. JTech was extended to a 2-day event with some virtual activities too that were never the part of the event in the past. We felt honored to have Mr. Shahzad Shahid, CEO TPS, a leading provider of cards and payment solutions, as our chief guest for the event JTech 2021. A webinar was conducted that day through which we were able to invite professionals from not just Pakistan but around the world to speak about their areas of interest and expertise. Topics for discussions were contrasting from the machine learning to technological singularity and blockchain. Similarly, panel was diverse too, having speakers from Microsoft Azure, CompuFaros, Microsoft Gold Partner, Cairo, Egypt, Keep Truckin, Nash Fintechs, and from the University of Waterloo, Canada. All sessions of webinars kept the audience engaged with the knowledge covered there. Second day further, the excitement students presented their ideas and projects in the exhibition hall at the campus. They were assigned a space where, making use of infographics and illustrations, they elaborated their ideas and work. All started with the recitation of Quran. After opening ceremony, nerve-wracking competition began. Judges from reputable software houses such as 10 Pearls, System Limited, Folio 3, Codes Lab, Baikia, Microsoft Dynamics, and from the prestigious academic institutions like NED University, Bahria University, and Habib University were there for evaluation. Judges gave their judgments, some projects were praised and some showed their weaknesses. This was going in the hall, and the similar tense situation could be felt in the virtual event that was going side by side with the physical event. Their demos were given by the students in front of all the judges who joined us from abroad. Overall, the day was bustling for the participants, packed with full of exciting events. Before the closing ceremony, the Honorable Chief Guest addressed the audience, especially students. His encouraging words and appreciation raised the morale and confidence in the students. He seemed surprised and overwhelmed by the creativity and innovation students managed to put in their work. He highlighted the need to equalize the proportion of women in the workforce and their contribution in the economy. Similarly, Honorable Chancellor Mr. Wajihuddin Ahmed appreciated the efforts and dedication of Chairperson and the Dean of Faculty of Science, Dr. Narmeen Zakaria Bawane, as the department seems to grow every day under her leadership. Afternoon, results were finalized and the award distribution ceremony started. Awards were presented to all the participants, volunteers, guests, and faculty to acknowledge their contribution in making JTech 2021 a huge success. Last but not the least, vote of thanks was presented to the diligent team of JTech 2021, comprising of faculty members and student heads of the management teams for the event. Chief Organizing Committee included Ms. Kawal Zahoor, Ms. Sumaiya Hamid, Ms. Hafiza Anisa Ahmed, who played vital role in the choreographing this whole event. We would like to thank Jinnah University for Women for facilitating and supporting JTech 2021 every step of the way. The event would not have been such a success without the collaboration of our sponsors, Swiss Southern Gas Company Limited, Vital Tea, Hakim Sons, United King, Personnel Services Bureau, BOGO, and AVS. We would also like to acknowledge the immense gratitude of our partner organizations, Pakistan Software Houses Association for the IT and ITES, Pakistan Women in Computing, Pro Women, powered by Code Girls, Women in Tech, and Interns.pk for their support. Lastly, thank you to all the attendees who participated in JTech 2021. We hope to see you again next year.